You know how to create a simple article, that is, an article with just a title, content, and a main media. The next important step is to learn how to create a more engaging and refined article. To accomplish this task, simply click on the specific category where you wish to create a new article, then proceed by clicking on the option to create an article. Always the three essential and mandatory elements: a title, content, and media. The content is versatile, and within this content, you can even easily insert various images to enhance it. To accomplish this task, simply click on the option to insert an image here. You can either import the file directly from your computer or browse through your photo gallery. Import your main media. However, you also have the option to select an image that will appear differently in the feed compared to the main article media. To do this effectively, simply upload your desired image into the designated section for the optional feed image. This allows for greater customization and visual appeal in your content. For this specific example, we will choose an image from our gallery. You have several different options available to you, each with its own unique benefits and considerations. You can also consider adding a prominent action button at the bottom of the article for better engagement. Check the action button to proceed. This button follows the same principles as the action category, except that during this entire process, this specific button will be located at the very bottom of the article for easy access. We wish to have it included here. Same action, URL, phone number, email address, article, PDF. I was merely a label embedded within the interface. When the user clicks this particular button, they will be seamlessly redirected to the specific site that you have targeted for their browsing experience. You can easily import a beautiful photo gallery. This gallery will also appear at the bottom of the article. These photos can be downloaded by the user. To do this, either you upload them directly locally or you use the photos from your gallery. We can clearly see that the image gallery is conveniently available at the bottom of the article for readers to explore. Additionally, you have the option to include a PDF document, which can complement the action button. This PDF document will be easily accessible from the article by users via a newly added action button that will be placed alongside the original action button you added earlier. This will allow users to access additional resources seamlessly and enhance their reading experience. To effectively manage the timing of your content, schedule the publication of the article. It will be published exclusively on the specific date and time you have set in advance. Additionally, you have the option to schedule an unpublication, which means you can also choose to remove the article from public view at a later date. Furthermore, you can attach an event to both the publication and unpublication processes, allowing for better organization and coordination of your content management efforts. Attaching an event to your article or content is particularly useful when your piece is focused on practical occurrences. This is especially true for categories that feature a calendar, which includes all the relevant dates for concerts or specific events associated with a hotel or an organization. This provides readers with quick access to essential information about upcoming activities. You will now have the ability to create a specific category and insert the corresponding event dates. For example, here we can clearly see that by checking to attach an event, a specific date has been successfully added with a detail. The calendar button conveniently enables the user to easily download the file, facilitating automatic registration in the default calendar application on their mobile device. You can attach a monetization strategy to your content or platform. To do this, you must first configure the app's monetization. You have the option to add patches, which are essentially access badges that signify specific access restrictions to the article. We will thoroughly cover this important topic in the next step. In the Advanced Options menu, you can easily pin the article at the top of your feed for quick access. You can easily open the text in full screen mode, which removes all media elements and any metadata from the article. You can easily display the raw text without any formatting directly on the phone screen. You have the option to hide the article in the main feed, allowing it to remain visible in its designated category while ensuring it does not appear in the general feed view. You have the ability to exceptionally hide the comments section. For an article, if you prefer not to allow users to comment on the content, you have the option to hide the comments section entirely. Additionally, if there's an article that you would like to keep private and not shareable on social media platforms, we can also easily hide the share buttons upon your request to ensure your content remains limited to your audience. When publishing your work, you have three options available. You can either save it as a draft for future publication or proceed now. You can easily schedule the publication and send a notification as well. Scheduling the publication is necessary because we have already planned it in advance. It now publishes otherwise. Notifying users will send a prompt notification to all individuals who have downloaded the app previously. letting them know an article has been published. When the user clicks on the notification, they will be redirected to the article. Or you can publish now without notifying users. So if you click on Publish Now and Notify, the notification title will default to your article's title, and the body will default to the beginning text of your article. You can also modify them as needed, which will not have any impact on the content of your main article or your shorter piece. This flexibility allows for adjustments that enhance clarity or focus without altering the overall message of your writing.